This is my morning caffeine. Monster Ultra Sunshine. It's like orange juice with a big kick of caffeine in the morning. This is how I start my day. Before I go to work, I'm going to go see a doctor about snoring. My wife's complaining about snoring. I don't know if it's sleep apnea. We'll find out. Could just be a breathing issue. So we're going to go see actually a dentist this morning. Talk to him about snoring and see what he might think. Schedule an appointment with an ENT, get an opinion from a different kind of doc, and kind of compare notes and see what to do after that. So that's what we're doing today. We'll go to work. Nothing planned for tonight. Maybe we'll do a walk around the car, check out all the mods I've done, show everybody, and the lights. I have to wait until night for the lights, but yeah, all the lights are LED except for a few, so we'll do that today. Go over all that, and we'll call it a day. Whatever happens, happens. So. Alright, just got out of the doctor's office. I made this little, I'm a new patient, so I guess they do this to all the new patients. Let's see what we got. I give everybody a gift. So, we got a coffee mug, a pen, and a magnet. Decent looking pen. I can use more pens. And a coffee mug. So, it's kind of funny. I go in there for snoring issues, sleep apnea maybe. So here's a coffee mug to give you caffeine to stay awake. Nice. Anyway, so I'm always skeptical of doctors that sell things also. So he sells, he's a dentist. So obviously he's going to sell some kind of dental application for snoring issues. I'm always skeptical of going to see someone for an issue like a doctor or dentist or whatever that also sells medical equipment or whatever. Because their true agenda is obviously sales. So we'll see. He's sending me home with this take-home sleep study. See if I have any apnea, so if I lose oxygen any times during the night, maybe from stop breathing or what have you. So we'll do this tonight, see what it says. I also want to see an ENT. I've been told before I have a slight deviated septum, so I don't know what the issue is, but I want to get multiple opinions before I spend any money doing anything, because obviously he's looking at selling something. If I go to an ENT, he's likely to say that I need surgery, so ultimately he's selling services. So we'll do that next week. We'll do this tonight. Wife's a nurse, so hopefully some collaboration on what possibly the issue might be, the snoring, daytime sleepiness. Not really any other symptoms. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll do this tonight. Return in the morning. Talk to him next week. See an ENT next week. We'll go from there. But anyways, that's where it is. I have to get to work. It is 11 o'clock now. I was supposed to be there at 11 o'clock. Luckily, I'm the boss, so it's okay. All right. Gotta go, though. I will talk to you all later tonight. And like I said, maybe we'll do some car stuff. All right. Thanks a lot. All right, guys. Just got off work. Told y'all we would do the car, so let's do the car now. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk you around and let's talk about what I've done in the car so far and maybe some plans in the future. So one of the first things I did is right here, nameless 4-inch muffler axle back exhaust. This is what gives it the sound. It sounds so good, especially going through the tunnels. Straight through. Really is no muffler to it, but it is what it is. As you see right here, I've blacked out the taillights with a VHT taillight paint and the clear coat. So that's been done. Almost all the lights are LED. I don't know if you can see in here. Yeah, you can probably see. That's the LED lights there. I put this bumper guard on also. License plates. I got the carbon fiber look with a red Subaru overlay. Blacked out the trim around it with plastic dip. We also, there's a spider web or something on there. Blacked out the badges. So the Legacy, the Subaru, and the all-wheel drive have all been blacked out. Also with plastic dip. Obviously I tinted the windows. They were not tinted when I got the car. Let's see. Plastic dip the rims with the anthracite gray. New extended black lugs to kind of get that good offset color. Painted the calipers. You can see right here. Two-tone red on the brake pad holder and then silver on the bracket. Replaced the brake rotors and pads also with the Max Advance drilled and slotted. Gives it a great look and they work well also. Let's see, anything else on the outside? The lip, that's been installed. I put that on there. Did not come with fog light, so I put the fog light kit directly from Subaru on there. I got the red tow hook, the upper and lower grill, which are pretty dirty right now. A lot of bug guts. Need to clean that off. LED driving lights. LED high beam, and then the blue accent light also, that's LED. Got the hella horns, got the Heron bracket or arm. It's actually made for the WRX, but it fits on this one perfectly. On the inside of the motor, you will see any part I put in, I've put the sticker on here instead of on the window. I prefer not to have that advertisement to the world on what's inside. The Takata air intake. I put on these fasteners to kind of give it that red accent. The Heron alternator and belt cover, which also was made for, I think, the WRX or the SCI, either one. Works fine on this.
I did have to drill 2 new holes because the original holes obviously are not in the right spot, but nothing a drill can't handle. Also put on the Creepin radiator shroud, also made for the WRX, but the coolant hose and the neck here fit perfectly matched up. So drilled some new holes for where they need to be for these, and then modified, let me swing around the back side, modified this plastic piece that was on here originally to keep it stable. So that's where I modified a mod to fit specifically for my car. Oh, I did have to knock it out right here where this comes into play. But again, no big deal. Mishimoto radiator cap, carbon fiber. Put that on there. I got the Agna red top battery. Mishimoto battery bracket. There. A 6-speed oil cap here, billet red. Let's see, I got the Raisin bolt regulator down there. More of the accent bolts here. Got a 6-speed oil catch can. Luckily, it has remained empty, so no oil in my air system. That's a good thing. I got the Megan Racing Tower strut bar installed there. As you see, all the stickers I got here. Let's see, anything else on the inside here? I don't think so. Mishimoto hose to connect the 6-speed. And I think that's it so far. Like I said earlier, I got LED lights on all the inside lights also, nice and bright. Nice blue light. Kind of messy in here. This past month's Tuner Crate air freshener, Fast and Furious. Oh yeah, the carbon fiber accent foot pedals. And there's my camera mount, movie camera mount. And I think that covers it. So, oh yeah, there was one small thing. Small. The carbon fiber red Subaru sticker here also. So, that is all the mods so far for the car. Let's just shut the hood. I love the way the grill looks. At first, it took me a little while to get used to it because it was missing the Subaru tag, but the more I see it, the more I get used to it, the more I like it. So, anyways, let me know what you think. I'm thinking next mod might be either some sway bars and end links, maybe some new rims and tires, 18-inch if I can find them. Checking out Craigslist, see if I can find some used ones that'll fit. Save me probably a boatload there. Or also I'm thinking about wrapping the top in gloss black. I think that would look great. Kind of give it a connection between the back dark window and this front here, so it'll be all black. I'm thinking about I did put scrub blade wiper blades on there. Those work great. Love those. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking about next. Rims and tires, some suspension mods, or black gloss wrapping the roof. I want to do coilovers. That'll probably be next year after the winter. I want to go with the Fortune Auto 500 for the Subaru Legacy. I've heard nothing but great reviews on that. Got a guy I play Clash of Clans with. He swears by them. He races Subarus. I think he's in Texas. So Anyways, so yeah, there's the car. Later on, I'll do the headlights so you can see them at night. They are really bright. The high beam LEDs are so bright. They light up the whole sky. I swear, it's like an alien landed and lit up the whole area. They're fantastic. Those are all Ops 7. I've had them in for about 2 months. No issues, no complaints, no problems at all. Anyways, that's it for right now. I've got to get home. It looks like it's about to storm. Look at that. It is going to storm. So I need to hurry up, get out of here. I'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot. See you later. So like I said, looked like it was about to rain. It's raining. Traffic is a mess. Look at that. On the way into downtown is almost at a standstill. We are moving at like 20 miles an hour, but I'm glad I'm not going that way. Alright guys, that's it for today. I appreciate you watching. Thanks a lot. Hit subscribe if you like this video. If you want to see more, don't forget, punch the like button.